This Naga officer united Tawang in Arunachal Pradesh with India. He was Major Ralengnau Bob Khathing, a proud Tangkhul Naga from Ukhrul, Manipur. Without him, India's map would have looked very different. In 1951, when Tawang was still under Tibetan control, the Government of India sent Major Khathing, then part of the Indian Frontier Administrative Service, on a mission to bring the region under Indian administration. With 200 men of the Assam Rifles and porters, he marched for 3 weeks through blizzards, mountains and isolation. No roads, no radios, no backup. When he reached Tawang, he met the Tibetan Dzongpens and Buddhist monks, assuring them that India respected their land and faith, but that Tawang was now a part of India. On 14 February 1951, Major Khathing hoisted the Indian tricolor in Tawang without firing a single bullet. That day he secured India's eastern frontier forever. His timing was critical. China had just taken over Tibet. If Khathing hadn't acted when he did, Tawang and today's Arunachal Pradesh might have slipped away into Chinese hands. History may have forgotten him, but Tawang is a part of India because of Major Ralengnau Bob Khathing.